Hello, welcome to the Leukopak Lady. Today I'm talking about the third annual Donor Selection and Cell Source Summit hosted by Hanson Wade. This conference is on November 19th and 20th in San Diego and starts in just a few days. And although it's a small conference, this one is perfect for those who want to learn all about how the quality of donors and cellular starting materials affects the therapeutic outcomes of allotherapies. It's also for those who care deeply about getting donor selection right from the very beginning. We're coming together to learn from each other and lead the successful transformation of off-the-shelf therapies. The conference sponsors include Blood Centers of America. BCA is the nation's largest blood supply network with a membership of over 60 independent community blood centers. Many of those centers provide leukopaks and processing services to the cell therapy industry. Charles River Cell Solutions, who provides RUO and GMP compliant human immune cells and stem cells to support research and advanced therapy development. BioIVT, who has an immune portfolio that includes everything you need to develop advanced therapies. They have 11 donor centers and a network of healthy, recallable donors. Discovery Life Sciences, a global leader in biospecimen and specialty lab services to enable the discovery and development of groundbreaking therapies and diagnostics. And finally, Excelix, the maker of an automated cell phenotyping platform that seamlessly integrates the capabilities of flow cytometry into the cell therapy development and manufacturing workflow. Representatives of each sponsor organization will be attending and some speaking at the conference. And those attending will hear top-notch speakers. Nina Horowitz, CEO at ImmuneBridge, is the conference chair. She'll be leading fireside chats, roundtable discussions, and presenting on maximizing process yield through understanding donor variability. In addition, Kanan Sayatoglu of ImmuneBridge will also be talking about donor variability. And there's some great talks outlined to discuss how to identify and create superdonors. Tracy Ryan of Encore Biotherapeutics, Michael Newman of Indaptus Therapeutics, Jeff Leader of Luminary Therapeutics, and Henry Bale of NKILT Therapeutics all bring their expertise to the table on this topic. Aaron Goldman of Mass General and Spring Sun of Allogene Therapeutics will both be addressing donor sourcing and selection strategies. Other topics to be covered include donor recruitment, cryopreservation strategies, allogeneic stem cells, and ISBT 128 compliant labeling of starting materials. And this conference is also packed with networking opportunities, so it'll be a great place to pick the brains of this field's experts. And I'll be around as a media partner, interviewing speakers and sponsors and posting throughout the duration of the summit. If you're already attending, look for me and my cell phone camera. I'll be recording short answers to important industry questions to put together for a post-conference recap video. And if you're not attending, but you want the chance to hobnob with leaders in the donor selection and cell source industry, get yourself registered and meet us there. You don't want to miss out.